Roof maintenance. Warren is essential for both residential and commercial properties. Regular roof maintenance ensures the longevity and durability of your roof, preventing costly repairs in the future. Roof maintenance experts in Warren provide comprehensive services, including cleaning, inspection, and minor repairs to keep your roof in top condition. Roof replacement. Warren is a critical service for aging or severely damaged roofs. The best roof replacement in Warren, Michigan offers high-quality materials and expert installation to ensure a long-lasting and reliable roof. Whether you need a complete roof overhaul or just a section replaced, professional roof replacement services in Warren, MI can meet your needs. Commercial roofing. Warren, Michigan requires specialized knowledge and expertise. Commercial roofing solutions. Warren, Michigan cater to businesses of all sizes, providing durable and efficient roofing systems. From flat roofs to metal roofing, commercial roofing services ensure your business is protected. Asphalt shingles. Warren are a popular choice for many homeowners due to their affordability and durability. Affordable asphalt shingles. Warren, MI provide excellent protection against the elements while enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your home. With a variety of colors and styles available, asphalt shingles are a versatile roofing option. Residential roofing. Warren, MI offers tailored solutions for homeowners looking to improve their property's value and safety. Residential roofing services. Warren, MI include installation, repair, and maintenance, ensuring your home is well protected against the elements. Shingles. Warren installation is a critical service for new constructions and roof replacements. A reputable shingle installation company, Warren, MI, ensures proper installation for maximum performance and longevity. Quality shingle installation can enhance your home's curb appeal and provide reliable protection. Roof restoration. Warren is a cost-effective alternative to full roof replacement. A roof restoration company, Warren, Michigan, can rejuvenate your existing roof, extending its life and improving its appearance. Roof restoration services in Warren, MI offer a sustainable solution for aging roofs. Roof waterproofing. Warren is crucial for protecting your home from water damage. Roof waterproofing experts, Warren, MI provide advanced solutions to seal your roof and prevent leaks. Effective roof waterproofing can enhance your roof's durability and protect your investment.